Hey there! Let's look at the hidden piece of urban infrastructure that keeps you safe from floods. Annually, over 250,000 people are exposed to floodings. Cities all around the world invest millions of euros to save lives. And thanks to solutions like Meratch, they can do so. Meratch monitors the water levels of rivers, lakes, and other water bodies to predict when the floods will happen, effectively saving lives in advance.